Hi everybody, this little video is about leveraging your photos. You've just invested loads of money getting a photographer in to take a big overview shot like this, and how can you make more from that? Well, the answer is to create different versions and crop it differently. So let's have a quick look at a few I've made in advance. Same shot, I've just cropped in a little bit, so that's showing more of the island and the back room. That's just the work surfaces, that's just the back room. So from this one big overview shot, you can get many other views. So this is a great way of making it look like you've had lots of photographs taken when you only had one, getting more bang for your buck. Tools I'd use, well, there's one here I can recommend called Irfan View, IRFAN View, and if I was to open that same photo, it opens up in Irfan View. This is for free, by the way. You just download it, it's a free application. You just click where you want it to start, and then you drag a square, save that, and when you're done you press Ctrl and Y on the PC and it crops it for you. Then you can go File, Save As, or hit the S key and then just save it and put a brackets 1 on the end of it for a different version number. So if you've got 10 photographs being delivered, you can make 100 different versions out of it and blow the competition out of the water. Thanks for watching.